199 is too many episodes. We need to, okay. Do you ever do this? I'm gonna really out myself here as a pathetic person. When you first started sending out invoices for your social media company, for Spenceley Design Co. Media, the very first one, did you send out invoice 00001, or did you throw 100 in there? Was it 123 that you sent out as the first one?
I hit 2 random keys on my keyboard, and that's where I started at.
Yes.
Oh, did you? I started at 1,000.
Oh, you started at 1,000. Wow.
Yeah.
I was like, I want to be
too obvious
about this. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I started in the hundreds or something like that.
Listen, I still remember back in the day, the first time I was like, I did a job or whatever. I couldn't even tell you what I built for somebody. Whatever it was, I probably had $75 to $100 of materials in it, probably charged them $110. They're like, yeah, just send me an invoice. Dude, I had no idea.
Yep. Yeah. Thank God Microsoft Word has invoice templates built into it.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, that's how I got my... Okay. I mean, that's what my invoice is today. It's just like the very first template in Microsoft Word.
Oh, right on.
I built mine entirely on a spreadsheet from scratch.
Oh,
wow.
I just use QuickBooks.
Yeah.
So QuickBooks has a thing where I can basically put like your name, your info or whatever, and I just press save. And so it allows, like, say I send you guys an invoice, you can then like click on it. You could directly pay through like PayPal, your bank, your bank card or whatever. And then it just does it, and it automatically like categorizes it, and it marks it as paid, and we'll send like reminder emails and stuff like that. It's nice, but I mean, you're paying for it, right? Mm-hmm. It's a service just like anything else.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man.
My FreshBooks does that, but honestly, I'm thinking like of getting rid of it altogether this year and doing it and getting rid of my site. Well, rolling my site over into a Square site and then using the Square site to start invoicing off of and doing it all in one. Because the bookkeeping software, I don't use it for anything other than billing anymore. Like I do all of my inventory, like, charges and everything, like managing all my, the money that comes in and out of the business. I just do that through a spreadsheet now. It's just so much easier. Like once I got it all set up, it was just so much easier than like going into their system and labeling things the way I wanted to see them. And it never like matches up with my bank accounts as far as like what money is where. And I can't ever figure out how to use it properly. And from what I've heard, that's an issue with a lot of them as far as like, especially with like content creators and in terms of like, managing your money.
The cash flow.
Yeah, it never matches up. So finally I was just like, screw it. I'm going to do it in a spreadsheet, and I got it working the way I want it. It matches up just right. And yeah, so I think I'm just going to roll all that stuff together into one and just into like a Squarespace site and do all my payments and everything through that. Or maybe I don't know, like what is the other one? Shopify site or something like that.
Yeah. Yeah. How much was it off by? Like a couple bucks? Or are we talking real money?
Well, the weird thing is
that is real money.
Yeah, right.